So hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my soap sculpture. Now, let's get started. First, I'm going to copy this Greek column to be my soap sculpture. After that, I'm going to make this T shape in the soap. After that, this is what it looks like. Now, I will now fix the edges to make them even and clean. Now, I'm going to make this part of the column. And here, I'm going to round the edges of the part of that column. And now, I'm smoothing the top. And for this part, I'm going to make this line part of the column. Now, I'm going to make this in the mid of the edges part. And for this part, I'm going to smooth it using a nail file. And now, this is the final look of my soap sculpture. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.